Hello YouTube, this is ATS882 and I'm back at the 25-yard, 50-yard range. I was talking to a buddy of mine, text him some pictures of how my zero target looked, and he made a reference saying that if I get 30 of them in here, I guess that's marksman in the military. Now, I am going to attempt that. However, I do not truly believe I'm going to be successful. However, I think it'd be pretty fun to try. And if shooting isn't fun, then what is it? So I'd figure I'd show you the clean target and just back up from there to my shooting position. Because in the event that I do get it, nobody's going to believe me unless I film it. Now, as I said, I fully do not expect to get all 30 within that small circle. I'll be happy with getting it on the paper. And as I'm walking up to it, I can definitely see that there's one outside already. But Okay, so let's take a look. And definitely not all of them inside. I was shooting pretty fast. We have 1, 2 on the circle, but I'm not going to count those. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I would say at least almost a third of them were outside that circle. However, a good amount were inside of it. So maybe I'll try this again in a few months when I've had more practice with my AR-15. I just got it.